Hello everybody, welcome back to Electric Tornado. Today we're going to be going over our severe weather outlook for the next few days as well as our tropical weather outlook. So let's get into it. Firstly, we're going to check out what's going on with our tropical weather, as we do have Hurricane Aaron still continuing right now. As it's in the western Atlantic right now, actually getting pretty close to the east coast of the United States, expected to get pretty close to North Carolina around August 21st and August 20th. So we just need to be watching out for this as well. So if you're in North Carolina or South Carolina and Virginia, be aware for any kind of storm surge, rip currents, strong winds possibly, and parts of this hurricane could hit you guys. Even some mandatory evacuations are out for parts of North Carolina, as well as they issued a state of emergency for those locations, as Aaron is going to get really close to that area, and this is pretty serious for parts of North Carolina. So if you're in North Carolina, especially near the coasts, I recommend staying out of the water and look at your beach flag to make sure it's not good to swim in. And just be aware, and if you're in a mandatory evacuation area, evacuate, get out of there, okay? Because this thing is gonna get pretty strong. Once it gets to Category 3, it's gonna have wind gusts up to 138 miles per hour, depending on what part of you are in North Carolina. But you guys may get possibly smacked by parts of this hurricane as it moves through. But I can say one thing: that's not gonna make a direct hit. It's not gonna make a direct hit. It's not gonna do this. It's not going to do that. It's going to do this. But it could take the outer part of the cone of uncertainty. It could do this. It could do this. But it could take a more easterly path as it goes through here. It's a possibility to do that as well, but I really don't think that's going to happen. I really think it's just going to take a westerly path along the cone of uncertainty and cause pretty strong winds and maybe some problems on North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia, as well as some flooding will be a possibility for those locations. And we have multiple hurricane warnings and tropical storm warnings as well on the coast, and some gale warnings. And beach hazard statements, marine weather warnings. We got all kinds of different stuff going on. If you're in the entire East Coast, you guys could also see some rip currents. Make sure to be looking at that beach flag as well. And we do have another tropical disturbance just down here. This is a day 2, 10% chance of development, low. And then day 7, 60% chance of development, medium. So we could see development within this orange little disturbance here, this little circle here. And this could actually cause some threats to the United States as these could move. This is near the Leeward Islands in the tropical Atlantic. A tropical wave located all over the central tropical Atlantic continues to produce a broad area of disorganized showers and thunderstorms. Environmental conditions appear conducive for gradual development of this system, and a tropical depression could form toward the end of the week or this weekend. This storm system is supposed to move west-northwestward at about 20 miles per hour and approach the vicinity of the Leeward Islands on Friday. So we need to watch this tropical disturbance right here for any possible development as the tropical weather season is getting to its peak. We also do got another tropical disturbance down here where we can see some more tropical development, even hurricanes too, which we really need to be watching out, as the United States could get hit by some future hurricanes and tropical storms pretty soon here. So we got all of our tropical weather down and all the possibility of chances to develop. Tropical waves coming off Africa, all that kind of stuff, dust. So let's get to our severe weather outlook for today, August 19th, 2025. Today it is a Tuesday, August 19th, I think, yeah. Let's get into our day 1 outlook for today, August 19th. So, first, we do have a slight risk expanding from Oklahoma through Kansas, and then southern Missouri, northern Arkansas, southern Illinois, southern Indiana, into central Ohio, and then through northern Arkansas and parts of Oklahoma, where this is just going to be a little marginal risk. There's nothing concerning about this. Some scattered storms will be a possibility, some lines, some clusters without this area inside of this marginal risk. It's not too crazy, but we could see some stuff within here, as we only do have a wind risk. We don't have a tornado risk in effect, at least currently, for this area. So this is our wind risk for today. So yeah, it seems like it's just a normal 5% tornado, 5% wind risk. We don't even have a hail risk, so marginal risk will be a possibility. Some of which could be severe. So that's what we need to be watching this for. As some storms, even over here in Ohio, could start, strengthening and cause severe storms and stuff, cause severe winds. But we don't expect any hail or any tornadoes within this risk today. But yeah, sorry, I'm saying way too much, and I need to figure that out. Anyways, we do get another marginal risk up here for today, which is up here in Montana, where some scattered severe weather will be a possibility today as well. Alright, we got today's severe weather outlook down. Let's do tomorrow's day 2 severe weather outlook for August 20th, 2025, as we do have a marginal risk up here for North Dakota, where some scattered severe weather will be a possibility. Low chance for any tornadoes. We could see some strong winds, and then maybe some hail as well. So, yeah, for tomorrow, August 20th, we do get a marginal risk. Let's check out our day 3 outlook for August 21st, and I guarantee, yep, there's our marginal risk. It's going to be going through eastern North Dakota, eastern South Dakota, and western Minnesota, which is right here, where some scattered severe weather would be a possibility on August 21st, and everything. So, we got our severe weather outlook down. We do have we gotta look at our excessive rainfall outlook, because those are our, flood, that kind of outlooks, to see if the wind is going to flood and how bad it's going to be and stuff like that. So expect maybe even some flooding for the past few days over here in northern Georgia as well, and then continue and get towards North Carolina by August 21st and stuff like that. So yeah, we also do got a lot of rain up here, just to let you guys know. Going through here, none of this is expected to turn into severe weather, though the bottom part of this could turn into severe weather in the future as they move eastward towards Pennsylvania. And Pennsylvania is going to get rain at some point, as well as northwestern Ohio is going to get rain today. So if you're up there, consider canceling outdoor activities if you're in northwestern Ohio. We also do got a few other rainstorms down here in Missouri, Kansas, and yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to stay weather aware, as Hurricane Aaron gets pretty crazy. So, yeah, evacuate if you're in the evacuation area. So, yeah, have a good day, and bye.